Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you lashes. I know, right? Aren't you excited? And it is not the castor oil Pinterest hack, I promise you. It is something more than that. Although I do know someone that did it and oh my gosh, it worked. I think everyone has a different genetic makeup when it comes to, hello, can I get my hair? Caw! I think everyone has a predisposition of follicle potential. I think being fair and blonde, I definitely have sort of thinner, less follicles, but you know, I have always complained of wimpy lashes and I'm so excited because I was sent a product. This is not a sponsored video. I am giving you my before and after results. And what's kind of funny is my before and after is this eye I did not put any lash serum on and this eye I did. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the side with mascara with the lash serum against the side with mascara that I didn't use lash serum on. So right now I'm not wearing any mascara at all or liner, and the product I'm talking about is called XLASH. And this was sent to me, like I said, it is a serum. They have, I believe, a lip plumper, they have mascara, so there's other items in their line, and they just reached out to me and they were like, do you want to try our lash serum? And I'm like, sure. So what I decided to do was, because I'm sort of bad about before and after pictures, so I thought the best thing to do is to give myself a side-by-side in real life, or I should say in real time. So I've been using for 2 months XLASH on this eye only. And I will say this side was, oh God, it was killing me. So I'm so excited to do this video, and now I can start putting it on the side and my lashes will be full. But that's, you know, that's what mascara is for, and nobody's noticed, right? Okay. I do have some photos somewhere I will dig up and maybe put on the screen of my before, but I'll just zoom you in and you can look. You might not be even able to see my lashes at all, but they're very fair, they're very sparse, and you can, yeah, you probably can't tell anything right now. And this is the serum. So it is very simple tube, and you have a very fine brush with a little bit of product distributed. You just want to line a little bit at the base of your lashes. I've been using it top and bottom, and it is not about how much, it is about consistency and doing it every day. So I've been doing it every evening, and that's what's going to get you your results. It's not, I'm gonna wear a ton of this product and try to grow my lashes in a week. So it really is consistency and doing it every day. And so that's what I did. And yeah, so let me just show you. I'm going to use, I think for today, I'm going to show you with, this is my Thrive mascara and my Doll 10 mascara are like my best mascaras out there. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you that. I'm going to put mascara on this side that doesn't have anything. And actually these two mascaras are pretty good. And if you know anything about me and the way I do lashes, I kind of like to coat my lashes and just put a ton of mascara. I like mascara that is dramatic. I like lengthening, thickening, fibery that's not too fibery, you know? And because if it really has like the little dust dryer lip particles, I do feel them in my eyes and it drives me crazy. But just, you know, kind of where I'm not subtle. I like obvious mascara. I'm not afraid of it. The best way to get rid of mascara that has strayed is wait for it to dry and just do a sweep of a dry Q-tip. You don't have to put any eye makeup remover on. You don't have to do anything, and it just comes off, and hopefully the rest of your makeup will stay on. I pretty much, I mean, sometimes some things kind of smudge or come off with it, but for the most part, you're able to save the rest of your face. All right, now for the fun stuff. Okay, so this is, now you can see the before, and let's go into the after. I've used other lash serums in the past that have actually burned and irritated my eyes. You know, there are some products out there, even prescription, that claim that they could change your iris color, and I find that to be, that's very intimidating. So to find a safe lash serum that won't irritate, that you don't have to worry about, and that's just gonna work, oh, it's like, yes, right? Okay. So I'm gonna pile on some mascara. I'm wondering if you can already see. I typically don't put mascara on camera, so you probably never noticed anyway the difference in my lashes in makeup videos before this month. So also, I think the XLASH has made my lashes denser. I feel like there are more lashes, not just lengthening, but I feel like things are a little more feathery. But I think you can see that there's significant length difference on my right side than my left side. And I'm also going to put some on my bottom lashes just real quick. Before, after. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I can see it. Can you see that? I can totally see that. Yes. That is exciting for me. I'm so excited. I'm just like, I want to keep putting it on all the time. Never stop. Just get lashes for days, right? Whew. So, I mean, even not close up, you can tell. This eye just looks, this eye looks pretty good. This eye. So isn't that exciting? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So you guys, I have a discount code. I will link it below. You can let me know what you think. And if, yeah, so like I said, not sponsored or anything. Thank you, XLASH, for just sending me the product and letting me try it. They were so patient with me because after about 30 days, I'm like, nope, I want to keep going. I really think, for me, just because everything on me takes so long. My hair grows slowly, my lashes grow slowly. So I waited 60 days for these results. So if you know, it's been a couple weeks and you don't see anything, stick with it. A bottle of this, a tube of this lasts a long time. I think it'll last you months. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel and this video, and I hope you subscribe and go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and I will see you next time. Bye.